All right, you know what? This is one of those Shandar Jodis that's coming together for the first time on the silver screen. And when Karan Johar's name is associated with the film, the romance has to be spectacular.
Hey, wait, I want to do something. So much energy.
What? I don't think anybody in my life that I ever know has seen that film so many times. So thank you.
For the rest of my time.
No,
Shahid,
now you go see
mean
Shandar.
God to me, you mean God. Nothing else. It's just God for me. I love you so much.
ये होता है first move. सुन लो.
Shahid, it's my dream to just click one photo with you. It's my dream. I pray God every night. Please come.
You want only one photo?
I just want one.
I thought we
Only
could do
one
3, 4.
No, just want one.
Just one.
Just one.
Okay.
You don't know what you mean to me.
Thank you. As soon as we finish the conversation, you want to come now? Can she come now? Okay, everybody, listen up. We'll get you on stage, but later on, first, backstage. Okay, wait. Before I go, I will come there and I'll give you a picture.
All right, so now, hang on you guys. Let's find out a few things from Shahid and Alia about the film. But first, check this out. Check what I can do. I can touch her. I'm just kidding. All right, so you guys please tell us about the film. What was the experience like? It looks like it was so much fun and the chemistry looks really, really natural. So talk to us about the film. Talk to us about who made the first move. Tell us.
Who made the first move in the
First
film
move.
or in life?
In life and in the film.
Okay, so I think Alia is the one who's extremely is like a hyper child. So I will give her the opportunity to speak about Shandar.
No,
first.
you have to go first.
No, please.
No.
तुसी start करो.
No, तुसी start करो.
Well, Shandar is Vikas's next advent. क्या चिल्ला रहे भाई?
हाँ, Shandar is Shandar. Of course, very
Okay,
bright
very
thought,
good.
guys.
Shandar
is
is
Shandar.
Shandar. Do we need to say anything else? Alia is Alia. And who are you?
तुम्हें करण जौहर के शो पे जाना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
Arjun.
हाँ?
हाँ? Wow.
Alia is Alia.
When did you discover this?
Really? I think, what's your name? Is my mic working? What's your name? Your name is Shahrukh? Shut up. Seriously?
Hello.
Shahrukh, now that you've called me, now that you said Alia is Alia, I'm going to say something that you're going to have many jokes on you, Shahrukh. Just be prepared. If you need moral support, I'll be there. I dealt with it very well. Okay, so Shandar is Shandar. Do you all think so? Do you all like the Shandar trailer? Do you think Shahid is Shandar? I know you think so. Yeah. Do you think I'm Shandar? Will you go watch Shandar? I heard some no. I'll slap the person who said no. Where? Will you go watch Shandar?
तो 4 लोगों ने हाथ उठाए, 3 को पता भी नहीं क्यों हाथ उठाए. सामने वाले उठाया, मैंने भी उठा दिया. Are you serving some drinks outside or something? You know,
Hello.
this is
Energy
just a
drinks.
very excited lot.
You know, these guys are supercharged just
तुम लोग
to see
अपना
you
लेकर
guys.
आए हो कि बाहर मिल रहा है कि चक्कर क्या है? मुझे भी बताओ यार. Okay.
All right, so you guys, now there's 2 very lucky people that get to come on stage and stand here. They are the winners. Now they're like, I don't know if I'm a winner. So you guys know who the winners are?
The winners.
You know who the winners are?
Yes.
Those
Okay.
very fancy names we told you about 5 minutes ago.
I know the girl's name.
Oh.
I'm a feminist.
Oh, that's very good to know. Okay, give me a second. I'm getting your winners' names and coming in 1 second. Yuri, please take it away
All
till
right.
then.
Now everybody knows that Karan Johar is associated with the film, and they say when Karan's name is attached to a film, the romance is spectacular. So is this going to be any less spectacular than the other Karan Johar films that have happened in the
Well,
past?
I think having Karan on the film has been an...
That's the romance you're going to see in the film. It's very sweet.
I suddenly forgot whatever I needed to say. So
Okay,
All right.
so yes, the winners. Sorry about that. The girl, you would like to say the girl? Or should I say?
I'll say the boy's name, you say the girl's
Okay.
name. I think the girl's name starts with T.
T.
How many people's name starts with T?
Only one girl?
Only one girl.
That's a bit absurd.
She has shouted, then I think she's fainted also.
छेड़ा? किसने तुम्हें छेड़ा? तुम्हें किसने छेड़ा? रांच कौन है?
रैंच कौन है?
तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड?
रैंच कौन है? कहाँ रहा रैंच? रैंच हाथ उठाओ बेटा.
Ranch, have you got close to Tanvi? छेड़ो? छेड़ा. छेड़ा. Ranch, did you छेड़ो Tanvi छेड़ा? You did on Instagram? You're a very... I can't see your face. Come here now. Show me your face. I want to see your beautiful face.
Oh, Alia's a feminist.
Oh, he's wearing pink also today.
मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है तन्वी ने रैंच को छेड़ा है. शर्मा तो ये रहा है. She
DM'd
what
you.
you?
She DM'd him.
Oh,
So
she
that's a very
DM'd
clear
you.
way. She was the one to make the first move on you, clearly. Huh? She made the first move. She came to meet you down.
If lying will make him meet you down, he will continue lying. You're telling him, if you lie, I'll meet you down. Okay, I'm not going to repeat what she just said.
Yeah. And you, do you have anybody to chedo you? Tarun Vadwani?
Tarun,
How sweet, Tarun
Tarun
Vadwani.
बेटा हाथ उठाओ. Where is this Tarun Vadwani?
There.
क्या आप एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि आपने विपुल हेगड़े को छेड़ा है? नहीं. क्या
आप
विपुल हेगड़े ने
accept
आपको
करते
छेड़ा है?
हैं?
क्या ये पीछे जो 4 लड़के खड़े हैं वो आपको छेड़ रहे हैं? क्योंकि मुझे उनके हाथ नहीं दिख रहे हैं. I don't know what they are doing.
Okay, how
They are all making their first move on him right now. How does it feel, bro?
did
They
you
all
make
love
the,
you, yeah.
Did
It's
you
all
make
about
the
love.
first move on Vipul?
Universal love. Shandar is about love. Regardless of where it comes from, take it. We love you more. Thank you so much. We love you more.
Your cup is overflowing with love. Oh. No, but you want to tell us, did you make the first move or did he make the first move? I know, but did you all make a first move of friendship? First move can be a friendship also, yeah, guys. I made the first move on Shahid. We are friends. You all didn't do? Okay. So you all just became friends by mistake. Okay. Facebook friends. So your Instagram, Facebook, you all are really killing it.
And now, Mr. Hegde will go back to his best friend and
Bye.
they will discuss how to make their first move
All
with each
right.
other. And Tanvi has already left the building.
Yeah, she
Bye,
does.
Tanvi.
Bye. We like,
She's like-
She-
like meeting you.
Ranch,
She's like, you gave me gifts by
तेरा
her.
सेट है बॉस. आज तेरा
That's all
सेट
she
है.
wanted.
ओ मुझे आलिया को छोड़ के जो भागी है क्लोजअप तेरे साथ शेयर करने के लिए.
हाँ. She really loves you,
हाँ?
huh, bro?
तुम दोनों क्लोजअप यूज करके अपनी फर्स्ट मूव डिसाइड करना. हाँ?
It's love, it's love.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
Love.
बड़ा खुश
Alright.
लग रहा है. ऑलरेडी छोड़ के जा रहा है ये. इसका तो हो गया.
You don't want to go to Tarun? No? You're happy here?
You're okay
Achha,
here?
he's chilling. You're settling here.
He's feeling. Look at he's heartbroken.
But then it's...
He's already started flirting with the 3 boys behind. He's saying, अच्छा तू नहीं आ रहा है? अच्छा तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
All right, cool.
Thank you so much.
Vipul, thank you
brother.
so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations again, man. Congratulations, bro. Please wash your hands. I have a cold. Seriously, I have cooties.
Yes, and we want our own.
Definitely, yes.
We want our own packs because this is really really cool, and I'm really excited about the fact that there's a toothpaste which has my face on it, and now it has Alia's face and my face on it, and it's for Shandar, which is we never said releasing on the 22nd of October. So please go check it out, and I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope all of you get a pack of this specific close-up pack for
Try and get close to somebody that you want to get
for
close to.
for of course the Shandar close-up pack, and I hope it helps Rancho get close to Tanvi and everybody else as well. What's up?
All right, one last question going out to Shahid and Alia. What was it like when somebody made the first move on you in college, in school? When was that first time when somebody came up? Was it a good line? Was it a good opening line? Or was it like something you don't want to remember?
You want to make a first move? Okay, what would you say to me? Okay, now, this is your opportunity. No, you can't come here. From far away, you have to say. Okay, play hard to get with me. Shahid. So, what would you say to me? To make your first move?
Whoever said, hey, sexy, that's a horrible line.
Arey, somebody give him a mic. Check. Ishq wala love. Huh? Chillane wala shouting.
Hello. Shahid, my first move with you will be a screening of Viva with you. Only you and me.
You want to
Babe.
watch Viva with me in a theater?
Yes. But baby, it's time for Shandar. It's time for Shandar.
How will you? How, you will watch
You will
Shandar.
watch?
See, that's a better move.
Yeah, that's a way better move.
Viva and Shandar both. Then after Shandar.
Done deal.
हम लोग थिएटर ही खरीद लेंगे.
What?
जब मन हुआ जाके
You
पिक्चर
ride a
चालू करके बैठ
horse.
जाएंगे.
Good one. I love horse riding. 10 boyfriends.
कॉफी.
Time
बड़ा
can we be
original
friends?
thought है
Of course we
तेरा.
can be friends.
कुछ नया सोच. हाँ?
Acha, he knows my address. Don't say so
You
loud.
have. What? I can't hear what you're saying.
What?
Alia sing song.
That's too soon, babe. You need to start
You'll
getting
sing
to know
song.
me first.
What's your name?
Too soon. I love you
Anil.
too soon. You're scaring me. Give me some. little
Anil,
bit love,
anybody
then
wants to
you can
listen?
roll out.
Anil sing. कैसे लड़के हो तुम लोग यार सब? Be more supportive towards Anil. You want to sing, Anil? You want to sing for Alia? Will you give me my mic back? You promise? Okay, here, 1, 2, 3. Anil wants to. Yes, we're
Yes, we're ready.
All right,
Questions.
questions. किसके पास है सवाल? From. Now, we have some people who are supposed to
from
be
the-
here moderating.
From the. Is there anybody from the media in the front row? Front line? Oh, okay. There, the media.
You guys, media, you guys have mics.
Yes.
So please.
Question.
And please say who your question is
okay.
for also. Yes, Baba.
All right, here.
Hi
Okay.
guys, Bhavna from Z News. How are you doing?
You to speak loud.
Hi, Bhavna this side from Z News.
Bhavna from Z News, yeah.
So how's this Shandar even for you? Like first move they are asking to everyone here. What's that one thing you want to tell us?
Tell to them to make the first move.
Any advices to them?
Any advice for me?
How you should make the first move.
Yeah.
How they should make the first
How a
move.
girl should make the first move, how a boy should make the first move,
have mixed-
how they should make the first move. They've made 73 moves by now. They're all so close to each other that we don't even know what moves are happening right now. See, they're all laughing, they all agree with me. So if you want to make a first move and not get noticed, go in a big crowd. Is that it?
Scary.
Arey, no, you're supposed to say no.
Yeah.
You have to be responsible, boys. Give respect to girls when you're in a crowd. Correct?
See. First move is all about coming. You know, okay. Here's the close up. Okay, so you want to come up close and personal with somebody. You want to make the first move. You don't want to try too hard. That's what Shandar is all about. It's very easy. It's very simple. So even if it's like Shahid, you've got something here.
Oh, I didn't even realize. That was subtle. Well played.
There's something here.
Good job.
Yeah, I came close. Did I?
So I think if you want to make a first move, the first thing that you need to understand is that make it only if the other person is comfortable with you doing it. Don't make a move when you're not welcome.
Yes, that's most
Yes,
important.
that's the most important thing. That's the advice that I would give to all the boys. That make sure that the girl is interested. She doesn't turn around and slap you. So first get a little bit of information before you make the move.
Okay, I think you don't want to listen to our tips. So next question.
Next question.
Hi Shahid, hi.
Media,
Yes.
you have mics. So.
First move you made in your life.
I have never made the first move. And even if I have, I've never let the guy know I've made the first move. That's the art for all the girls, huh? Never make the first move.
And for Shahid,
And for Shahid,
What about me?
who made the first move? You or Meera?
What?
Who made the first move? You or Meera?
We're talking about Shandar here, madam. Who made,
this
in your life, who made the first move?
My husband.
Your husband made the move. He obviously succeeded. So obviously, मतलब जब आदमी husband हो जाता है तो success मिल गई है मतलब ऐसा तो होता है ना.
Shahid. Hello.
Yes.
Shahid, why are you so reserved about your personal life? What is
Sorry, what?
it? Why
because
are you
it's
so
personal,
reserved?
maybe
Because
that's
you
why it's
ask me questions
reserved.
about my personal life when I'm doing work. If you stop asking me questions when I'm
even
doing
though
work, you'll get more
Your fans
answers.
are so eager to know that okay, who made a first move.
When you ask me when I'm not working, then I will answer. If you ask me when I'm working, then I won't.
All right, so you guys please keep the questions related to the movies, personal questions on a personal time. Thank you. Next question. Yes.
Hey, Shahid, Alia, this is Umar from NDTV. All the Shandar looks wonderful. All best wishes from NDTV. My question is to you: is you are doing the Shah Rukh Khan film with Shah Rukh Khan? What was your first reaction?
Right now, I'm only doing a film with Shahid Kapoor, and which is releasing on the 22nd of October. So the only man I'm going to talk about is Shahid Kapoor.
Anyone's asking?
My favorite movie of
Which
of
you have
mine,
done, huh?
Which I have done. If I don't say Viva, you'll kill me. So let me say Viva.
Shahid.
Shandar, 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 Shandar.
Shahid. Mic is not working. Shahid. We've heard.
I you like, huh?
Same.
Shandar, Shandar, Shandar. Haan, scream. I'll repeat your question.
Speak into the mic, Baba. Speak into the mic.
माय क्वेश्चन टू यू शाहिद सुना है कि शानदार से इंस्पिरेशन लेके आपने अपने खुद की वेडिंग प्लान की थी इज इट ट्रू
No wedding questions for Shahid Kapoor about his shadi.
बट
No wedding questions. No wedding
बट यू आर प्लेइंग
questions.
द रोल ऑफ अ वेडिंग प्लानर
That's what we call girl power.
बट यू आर
She
प्लेइंग
has the power.
Shahid, we from the media have Shahid here.
Where? Here is where, bhai?
Shahid, here.
Where, bhai?
Here, niche.
Ah, yes, sir.
Shahid, we from the media have really supported you right from Ishq Wish to Haider. You know, it is a request from the media and from the fans to know who made the first move. How is it between you and Meera?
Sorry,
One
what?
small quote. You and Meera, you know, who made the first move? No, Shahid.
आलिया इसका माइक छीन लो.
All right. So the media's time is up now because they're abusing their privileges. Now we have questions from the fans. All right. So all kinds of questions. You want to know favorite color? You want to know shoe size? Anything fun? Anything that has to do with the first move? Anything that is absolutely shandar? Go ahead and ask. All right. So let's have some girls. Tell me, what's your question? All right, that's a good question. आप उनको जरा mic दे दीजिए, please.
Hi, Shahid. I'm Sachit. My name is Sachit. I'm a huge fan of yours and
Thank
your
you so
dance.
much.
And your looks are too good. I mean, I really love you for that. Okay, so what is your inspiration for Shandar? Like, what have you inspired from and acted as that brilliant as you always do?
I mean, I think my inspiration for Shandar is Alia. I wanted to work with Alia Bhatt and it was my only opportunity.
शाहिद मेरा सवाल आपसे है, यू नो क्वीन के बाद विकास बहल की ये दूसरी फिल्म होगी इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, और उम्मीदें सबको बहुत ज़्यादा होंगी, चाहे वो क्रिटिक हो चाहे वो फैंस हो, आप शानदार का हिस्सा हैं. कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा आपके लिए ये किरदार करना या रोल करना, क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हाई है.
एक्चुअली शानदार जो है वो it's a very easy, breezy, fun film. If we take pressure of anything, honestly जब शानदार हम लोगों ने सबने साइन की थी और हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे तो क्वीन रिलीज़ नहीं हुई थी, मेरी हैदर रिलीज़ नहीं हुई थी, इनकी हाईवे आई थिंक रिलीज़ हो रही थी. सो द टाइम एट विच वी टुक दिस फिल्म अप, हम तीनों मतलब इतने एक्साइटिंग लोग नहीं थे. फिर वो साल गुजरा और सडनली यू नो तीनों की फिल्में बहुत अच्छी लगी लोगों को और अच्छा साल बीत गया तो सडनली शानदार बिकेम अ वेरी बिग फिल्म. लेकिन हमने कभी भी शानदार को उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं बनाया है. हमने इसलिए बनाया बिकॉज इट्स अ रियली नाइस फिल्म, इट्स अ रियली एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म, इट्स अ वेरी फ्रेश कॉन्सेप्ट. विकास इज टेकन अ लव स्टोरी. आई डोंट थिंक वी एवर हैड अ डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग फिल्म बिफोर. तो हमने वी जस्ट गॉन आउट देयर एंड ट्राई टू मेक द फिल्म दैट इट नीड्स टू बी. अब वो किस फिल्म के बाद आ रही है, उस पर कितने एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, अगर हम वो सब सोचेंगे सो आई थिंक इट विल टेक अवे फ्रॉम बीइंग एबल टू गिव शानदार द एनर्जी दैट इट नीड्स. सो वी जस्ट वेंट आउट एंड हैड फन ऑनेस्टली.
जैसे आपने जिक्र किया कि आलिया हाईवे कर रही थी और फिल्में कर रही थी. Is she is a hyper child? You said.
Yeah, Shahid. Shahid, we've been shouting since when for one pic with you, just one pic. And my question. Ask question. How do you avoid someone's first move? Whoa, good question.
Answer it. You want to answer? Have you learned some self-defense format? कुछ सीखा है? Alia, would you like to tell her how a girl should avoid a first move if she wants to avoid it?
See, firstly, I think you have to start with being polite. You have to make it very kind of obvious from your body language and from your smile. Don't send the big smileys back. Send one small smiley. Don't ever send the kiss smiley. Don't send the hug smiley. Be little like, like subtle about your emotions. Don't laugh too much also. Don't like stand too close. That's the rules. And if this still he doesn't understand, then you know what to do, babe. Your gut will tell you. The girl instinct. You know. Okay?
Alia.
But try being polite about it first.
Alia. Hi. Shahid, I love you. Alia, I love you too. Shahid, I love you so much. I love you. My question is, what would you do if your first move failed?
If my first move failed, what would you do if your first move fails? Very painful question. हाँ? यहाँ पे सब लड़के बोल रहे will make a second move. ये देखो.
Never quit.
You have to respect it. Good answer. Who said that? Nice. He said you should respect the fact that the girl is not interested. So respect.
Alia.
All right. There's a question right there.
Shahid.
भाई बारिश नहीं हो रही है, छाता बंद कर लो.
No. Shahid.
Ask your question.
Shahid here.
All right. There's a question right there. Go for it.
Do you know you broke my heart by marrying?
Oh no.
What
This
happened?
was the question you picked?
Who is this person?
Next.
Where
next
are you?
Did you know you broke my heart by marrying?
If I knew, I'd never do that. I'm sorry. I didn't know. But
Alia?
this was the question.
All right, so now, last two questions, so make them good, you guys. Last two questions. What is your question?
आलिया हम जानना आलिया हेलो हाय आलिया
All right, just ask Abhishek to
hello आलिया what was my first move in the film? I'll tell you the answer to that. You'll see it on the 22nd of October, first day first show. Okay?
हेलो आलिया जब प्रोमो लॉन्च हुआ था शानदार का और आज एक इवेंट है, जब भी शाहिद से शादी का सवाल किया जाता है आप आगे उनके आगे खड़ी हो जाती है. Why? Is it some deal or something?
No, there's no deal. I'm just protective about Shahid. I'm protective about Shahid. और यहाँ पे हम लोग शानदार की बात कर रहे हैं और मैं बहुत इरिटेट हो जाती हूँ जब सब लोग पर्सनल सवाल ज़्यादा पूछते हैं when you're trying to be on a work front. Make it more about the work. It's only fair. I'm a good friend, no? I'm a good girl. Yes.
Hello,
You
Alia and
I saw
Bani.
that. I saw that. You just snatched the mic away from him.
Oh no, I didn't know. No.
Okay. Let him ask his question first, then you ask.
Alia ma'am, my name is Pankaj and my question is to you that while making of the film Shandar, how many people tried to make their first move with you?
Shahid.
How many? Not many. Just an average.
Shahid.
No. Let's keep it to the film.
Okay. We love you guys. Thank you so much for coming. I know it's really hard and I know you guys have been standing in like a big group, but thank you so much. Thank you. We love you all.